Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now click on Sound and Vibration, and over here you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. If you want to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, tap on Vibrate over here. Now scroll down, click Call Vibration Pattern and select pattern for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can do the same to your notifications by clicking on Notification Vibration Pattern, selecting Pattern and going back as well. Now tap on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Go back, click on System Sound Vibration Control, and over here you can click on the switchers next to all of these features under Vibrate to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!